Bringing phrases to light. Understanding, bring to light. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bring to light. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can really help in both conversation and comprehension. Let's dive in and shed some light on this interesting expression. Bring to light is a phrase used to reveal or uncover information that was previously unknown or hidden. It's often used in contexts where new evidence or knowledge is discovered that changes our understanding of a situation. For example, if a detective finds new evidence in a case, they are said to bring it to light. The phrase, bring to light, has been in use for centuries. It originates from the literal idea of bringing something into the light so it can be seen more clearly. In the past, it was often used in literature and poetry to describe the act of revealing truths or secrets. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. 1. The investigation brought to light important information about the company's finances. 2. New research has brought to light facts about the ancient civilization. 3. The interview brought to light the candidate's lack of experience. Some learners confuse bring to light with simply bring light, which is more about providing illumination or understanding in a general sense. Remember, bring to light specifically involves revealing something that was not known or seen before. Bring to light can be used in various contexts like journalism, where a reporter might bring new facts to light, or in everyday conversation when sharing newly discovered information with friends or family. I hope this video has brought to light the meaning and usage of the phrase, bring to light. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use this phrase in your conversations. See you in the next video.